Right, team, and welcome to another market breakdown for the week ahead. I think this is number 30 now, so yeah, we're 30 deep in the market breakdowns, which is quite a good run without a week missed. So yeah, continuing that momentum. This week seems quite a quiet week based on swing trading, but obviously, as most of you know, I have been diving in the day trading a lot more. So the swing trading has died off a little bit in a sense, but the day trading has risen, swing trading has dropped. But overall, the swing trades in general, they just haven't been appearing. I have been looking for them. So I've been continuing my market breakdowns over the weekend, building my swing trading list. And there's not been much swing trading wise that I can take. Not like last year. Last year there was a lot. There was a lot that was popping up in the first quarter, and so far this year there's not been much. Just based off what we look for, that liquidity sweep, that impulsive breaker structure, and then that return to the Fibonacci. It's not really been appearing as much as I would like. But this week we've only got, this week we've only got 3 pairs on the watch list, so it seems very quiet at the minute. But I am expecting it to pick up, but just at the minute there's nothing crazy on the watch list. We're just not getting much. But overall, we're going to start with Great British Pound AUD, then drop into Great British Pound NZD, and then Great British Pound JPY. They are all basically the same setup. They all look very good. So if I get in on any of them, it will more than likely only be one of them or 2 max, but we will see. But starting off with Great British Pound AUD, daily range here. We're coming to that lower end. We tagged into that demand zone, and we did react very well. Like I said last week, we literally just broke out of this actually last week. So I was expecting a pullback, but we haven't actually got that pullback. We've just continued to the upside. So basically, I'm still looking for that overall pullback just to fill in some of this inefficiency, which it looks like is starting to make that pullback now. Obviously, lower time frame, these swing positions here, these highs and lows have been broken. So we could expect a rollover now to the downside, filling some of these inefficiency areas, tag us into a Fibonacci, and then roll back over to the upside to continue that daily order flow to the upside. Then going into Great British Pound NZD, this is exactly the same. As you can see, daily range, A to B. We've started pulling back. We've respected some demand areas, and once again we've pulled away, and it's exactly the same as last week. Again, once we got that initial break, I was expecting price to pull back sooner, but obviously last week was a very bullish week for Great British Pound. So this week we have now ended breaking some structure here. So now I'm expecting it to come up here, around these areas here, and then start its order flow to the downside. And then I'm expecting price to come into this Fibonacci to roll over to continue that daily momentum. And then Great British Pound JPY, if we go back to the daily again, I don't think this one is as clean. Nope, so daily wise, we are pretty much in this huge ranging area, probably off the monthly and daily and weekly, so you can just see there, we're just moving sideways based on that. 12 hour, I think, looks pretty clean on this, so the 12 hourly, we've had this downtrend, low, high, low, and then we have impulsively broke this high, so this is the range I'm looking at, is more of a 12 hourly range. We've got a lovely demand zone that we are sitting in. We have reacted from that, but I just want price to pull deeper into this range to take us into our Fibonacci. We've had a lovely liquidity sweep before that break, and then I would be targeting the highs. So yeah, that is it for the market breakdown for the week ahead. That's it. There's not much to go over. I've scanned through every pair that I have on my watch list, which is a fucking lot. Obviously the major pairs and then the minor pairs, and I've only ended up to find 3 out of all of them pairs that I look at for swings. So yeah, it's a short one this week, but it is what it is. We can't go hunting. I think that's what a lot of my issues have been over the last few months, is that where swing trading has been pretty quiet, I've not. Oh, what's happening there? Yeah, I've not been able to. One sec, guys. One sec. What's going on? One sec. Right, yeah, sorry. So because of how quiet the swing trading has been, that's what's ruined my last few months, where I've took quite a lot of losses. It's just that I've been hunting for trades instead of them coming to me, and I've been noticing them and finding them cleanly over the weekends. I'm struggling to find them, which is making me go looking for the trades, which obviously hasn't been playing out very well. So I've started implementing more day trading, and now that is playing well for me. So yeah, overall, things are looking good. Obviously, I passed a 25k account. We're now funded with E8. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated. If these swings play out, then hopefully they do. We'll just see how we go on. So yeah, I will see you guys in the Discord, and I hope you've had a beautiful weekend. And let's get nailed in for this current week ahead. I will speak to you guys soon. Bye bye.